What's up, everyone? Hope your 4th of July is going well so far. We actually have a little bit of overcast, a little bit of rain coming down right now. Hopefully that clears up as the day goes on, just like crypto, right? Now, don't be fooled by the drop in prices, the pullbacks that we're having in the market right now, because there is actually a chart showing that we are supposed to have an imminent crypto pump sometime in the very near future here. Now, there is a very huge correlation between two things: Bitcoin price and the DXY. For those that aren't familiar, DXY is the US dollar index. It shows whether the US dollar is in fact gaining strength or losing strength. And this inverse correlation that exists between the two of these has been in place for years and cycles, and frankly does not really get broken. And what we're seeing right now is actually a drop off in terms of the DXY. You guys can see here recently that price has just in fact been moving to the downside. And BTC price, in fact, started moving to the upside. Obviously, we've dealt with a little bit of selling from governments and a little bit of fear entering the market and things like that. But for the most part, this tends to stay consistent. Even obviously early in 2024, you guys can see the DXY was climbing. Bitcoin price was doing a little bit of moving just because of obviously institutional money creating some shorts and things like that, or causing some short liquidations. And really the surge up to the new all-time high in terms of the overall crypto market dealt with the DXY actually dropping. Then we dealt with dropping in the market, kind of periods of consolidation where not much has been taking place. This even dates all the way back to the bear market leading into the bull. You guys can see in October, the DXY basically just fell off a cliff. This strong downtrend that caused us to start the bull market cycle, sending prices just absolutely wild. So now that we're seeing basically this movement in terms of the DXY specifically to the downside here, it would make you think that we are in fact going to see this turnaround and this inverse correlation continue in the market. And that's what I would expect to see here. Now, again, we have to wait for a sentiment to improve. We have to wait for a lot of this just fear to subside in the market. That's what we're dealing with a lot right now, right? Waiting for this fear to actually cool down, for people to take a deep breath and realize, oh, hey, this is really nothing. My son is trying to squirt me right now. So anyways, but I just wanted to share this with everyone. This is why I'm not getting fooled. I'm watching all these metrics. I pay attention to fundamentals, guys. I do tons and tons of research, hours of research before I even get into and do these videos. And nothing has really changed. We're dealing with the same thing that we've dealt with from cycle to cycle, from bull market to bull market. The time standpoint is all the same. I've seen people reference, oh yeah, there's not enough capital to go around. Really, there really is. There's a lot of capital even just sitting on exchanges right now that has not in fact been buying yet. It's just been waiting for that moment to re-enter the market. It's been very much indicated by stablecoin market caps on the rise for the past several months. This thing is getting ready to take off, guys. And I think a big part of this is going to be when those short liquidations that I talk about so much do in fact begin. But don't sleep on this inverse correlation that exists between the two of these. Don't get fooled by big players taking your positions in the market right now. This is probably the worst possible time to fudge yourself out. People got to do what they got to do. I get it, but there are some exciting times ahead. The market will improve substantially, and we're going to be on the precipice of the biggest bull market surge we have ever experienced in history. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. But as always, this is not financial advice. Have a great rest of your 4th. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.